Right, this is a 99 Camry. The car runs really good. There's no engine light or anything. It just have the daunting oil lights on. Goes on after like a couple seconds. So here's how to diagnose it. Okay, the engine we're working with today is a V6, and the oil pressure sensor is right there. Right where you see that harness. It's a single wire, gets the ground from the frame. And this is the right side of the engine. This is a tool I'm planning to use. Basically it's a pressure meter. It was like 20 bucks on eBay. And you put this in place of the sensor, and then you check the pressure of the oil pump. The proper pressure should be around 30, so let's see how it goes. So first step is to remove the pressure sensor, disconnect the electrical of it, remove it, and then put the pressure meter. Okay, to create some room, move the relay out of the way. Okay, I got the belt out. So now I have better access to the sensor. Get the sensor connector out. This is a 24mm socket. Here I got this sensor out. So to find the right fitting, just screw the sensor in the fittings to get the right size. Once you have that, you can find the fitting that fits the same socket, and this is my right fitting. So I'm going to use this. Now I just need to attach it to this guy. This is a plumbing tape. Alright, so I got the hose in and barely tightened, and now I can put my meter. Just make sure there's nothing in the way. I don't reconnect the belt because I'm only driving the AC and alternator, so it should be fine. Now I'm ready to read the real engine oil pressure. Alright, so here's the reading. And we're reading less than 30. And then the pressure goes later to 0.